Hi everyone, so the Posh House is back at Bohemian Gallery for 2 days today and tomorrow. And if you want some beautiful jewelry, anarkalis and the top she's wearing, it's all from the brands that are here.
And the collection includes a lovely, accommodation of bandhej. They have pure silver jewelry. They have something for home decor. They have menswear. They have kaftans like this. They have cord sets and a lot more. So to check out the collection, swipe left. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, I am myself Namrata. Today I am exhibiting our brand Rajatam, pure 925 silver jewelries. We have earrings, rings, and choker sets, long necklaces, and this Jaipuri kind of fusion jewelries as well.
So they have chokers,
long necklaces, silver rakis, and we have earrings, rings, and long necklaces with the fusion collections.
Alright, thank you. So we have brand Dhage. Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Okay, tell us about your collection.
this is soft silk, three-piece.
Okay. Alright, okay, all semi-festive wear that you can use for Rakhi, Diwali, lovely, okay. These are all three-piece suit sets.
This is concept.
They have something in cord sets as well, as you can see, lovely, okay. Alright, what is the material, ma'am?
Silk,
It's silk, okay, ठीक है. और इनकी प्राइस रेंज क्या रहेंगी?
550.
2550. Okay, lovely. That's a trendy print. All right. Okay. We have something in one piece.
Kaftan type.
Kaftan as well. Okay, so this was brand Dhaga. Do visit them for more collection. Hello, sir.
Hi guys, my name is Aman. My brand name is Ravai. So we have variety of kurtas from prints to embroidery kurtas. So this is, for example, one of our embroidery kurta, which is really great. And then we have in the case of like upper work, which is in the opium color. So these are some of our really great kurtas. One of these is green color, like heavy embroidery. And if you want in prints, then we have something like these,
Okay.
which are in prints for the coming festival, which is Navratri.
All right.
And this is like our whole range of collections, starting from the color of white to till black.
Okay. And what will be the price range, sir?
So our price range starts from 1200 and it goes up to 2500.
Okay. So for more collection, please visit Bohemian Gallery. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, my brand name is Radha Payenche.
Okay.
Offers chain buy one get one free.
Okay, so they have an offer, buy one get one free. Lovely collection. Something in Indo-Western. Lovely. Three-piece suit.
इसमें 15% डिस्काउंट है.
Okay, they have 15% off on this as well. Lovely. Okay. Alright, again
फ्लाई प्लाजो जैकेट.
jackets. Right.
प्योर गजे सिल्क बंदेज. कुर्ता पट्टी दुपट्टा.
Lovely. Okay. Alright, thank you. So next up we have a perfume brand named Inuma and we'll be talking to, yes.
Hi, I'm Nirvi. This is our perfume brand Inuma. We have experience kit. We have travel sets. We have 100 ml. It's a long-lasting fragrance for 8 to 10 hours. Do try, do come, do visit us.
So next up we have brand HT Accessories. If you are a crystal lover, they have pure crystal Rakhis for Raksha Bandhan, as you can see. They have more collection as well where they have cute Rakhis for children, and as you can see they have a lovely collection of Rakhis. They have all their stone pieces, necklaces, as you can see. Lovely pieces here as well, and they have bracelets that you can stack with your everyday routine look, and they have some beautiful jewelry. They have this one piece as well. They have lovely earrings. Next up we have brand Artful Knots. Just look at that beautiful hair tie. They also have this beautiful unique thing that is a candle bouquet that they have. And if you see, they have hairbands, they have a lovely collection of macrame. This is all handmade. As you can see, their watch.
So something what I am wearing is from the brand called the Posh House itself, and let me show you what more they have. So they have some nice quirky shirt options, shibori mein. Then they have kaji mein kurtas, long. Look at that, super pretty. Then they have 3-piece set, something with dupatta, Banarasi. This is also very pretty one. It's a 3-piece set. And अगर आपको इंडो वेस्टर्न चाहिए, then this is a nice piece.
Next up, we have brand Radiant Jewels, and as you can see, they have a lovely collection of beautiful long neck pieces with stones on them. As you can see, they have full sets as well. Only chokers. Something that is different and unique. And they also have earrings. So you can see they're beautiful, unique pieces with stones.